Once upon a time, in a vibrant African village nestled amidst rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a young boy named Kwame. Kwame was born with eyes as dark as the midnight sky and a birthmark shaped like a serpent on his forearm. Rumors whispered through the village that Kwame was cursed, for his birth coincided with a great drought that plagued the land. As Kwame grew, so did the superstitions surrounding him. Villagers avoided him, believing his presence brought ill fortune. Children would taunt him, calling him Evil One and pelting him with stones. Despite the cruelty he endured, Kwame remained gentle-hearted and kind. One fateful day, a terrible illness swept through the village, claiming the lives of many. Desperation clouded the minds of the villagers, and in their fear, they blamed Kwame for the misfortune. The elders gathered, their faces etched with worry, and decided to banish Kwame from the village, believing it would lift the curse that plagued them. Heart heavy with sorrow, Kwame left his home behind, wandering into the wilderness with nothing but the clothes on his back and the whispers of the wind as his only companions. Days turned into nights, and Kwame found solace in the embrace of nature, learning its secrets and finding strength in its wisdom. As Kwame journeyed, he encountered others who, like him, had been cast out from their homes. Together, they formed a new community, bound not by fear but by compassion and understanding. Kwame became a leader among them, guiding them with his wisdom and kindness. Meanwhile, back in the village, the crops withered and the rivers ran dry. The villagers realized too late that their actions had only brought further hardship upon them. With humility in their hearts, they sought out Kwame, hoping for his forgiveness and guidance. Kwame returned to the village, not with vengeance in his heart, but with love. He shared the knowledge he had gained during his exile, teaching the villagers to live in harmony with nature and each other. Slowly, the wounds of the past began to heal, and the village flourished once more. From that day forth, Kwame was no longer known as the Evil One, but as the Wise One, revered for his teachings and revered for his compassion. And though the scars of his exile remained, they served as a reminder of the power of forgiveness and the strength of the human spirit.